open a gift from my friend Beatrix. She gave it to me for my graduation, and it's actually, she gave it to me like a couple of weeks ago. This is what happened.
What's supposed to be? Okay, is it early? It's a music box? There's a music.
I don't know.
Thank you. I'm so curious about this.
It's for your graduation, but you can't open it before that.
Okay. Should I wait after graduation or?
Yeah, or like graduation day, whatever.
Graduation day, I will wait.
Because I'm not gonna be here.
Ah, thank you.
But yeah, so I have been keeping this for probably longer than 2 weeks. I stay really committed. You know, I saw it every day when I walk by back and forth in my bedroom. But I told myself that I'm not gonna open this until my graduation day. And here I am. I did it, and I didn't, sneak around or trying to, see what inside. I promised her that I'm gonna wait until the day, and now is the day. Yeah! So we'll see what inside. And I just want to say thank you, Beatrix, for, always bringing me a lot of surprises and things like that. So I really enjoyed it. Let's see what inside. So let me see. If Beatrix was here, she was like, okay, give me like a couple guesses before you open it. And okay, just pretended that you were here. I would say something regarding to like workout. I don't know, workout stuff, because we just both started to work out recently, and I'm really into workout currently. So I'm thinking maybe something regarding to like workout stuff. That would be my first guess. But yeah, I don't think it's related to music though, because I like music, but I don't think you know that I do. You like it better than I do actually. But yeah, I would say workout clothes, or second guess will be something regarding to self-improvement, self-growth, books maybe. But I am kind of more about workout stuff, not because of the, I don't know, we'll see. And it's really nice about this is that she taped it with like a music tape with notes and everything on it. So it's kind of like distract me from the idea of the gift more about music, but I don't think it's about music, to be honest with you. But yeah, let's figure it out. We'll see if I guess it's right. I love the color, by the way, the box color. My favorite color is not pink, but this neon pink is definitely a killer. It's so great. Okay, I'm really proud of myself that I have been waiting for this long. I didn't even open it at all, so I'm excited. We'll see. Oh, it's so cute. Very big heart. And it's safe for him. So let's open the gift first, because I always want to save the best thing for last, so I will read it later. Oh, so kitty, you on the screen. So so cute. Oh my goodness, sundresses, you know me so well. Awesome. Yeah, let's kill the summer. Oh, yellow, so it's matching with the card. Maybe she intends to do it that way. I don't know. Hey kitty, can you go to this way so people can see you as well? Okay. Oh, and there's another one here. Oh. So it's the notebook, and it's Snapchat. Oh, because you really liked it. So she showed me this. She's like, oh, I have this kind of notebook from different social media accounts like Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. And when I saw it, I was like, that's so cool. But she remembered what I said. So thank you. I really like this. But yeah, it's time. Wait, this is the box, right? Is there anything? Oh my god! There's something in here too! This is like a magic box. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's the little turtle necklace. Oh. with this necklace, you can follow the coordinates of your own little turtle. Isn't that so cool? It is! Thank you! So I have been collecting a lot of like turtles, souvenirs, or like necklace, earrings, things like that whenever I travel. So Beatrix knows this. You know, my total collection majority comes from my friends and people that I know in life that they gave it to me. And I also like collect it myself whenever I travel as well. So, oh my god, I love turtles. I love this. Oh my god, this is awesome. Thank you. I will definitely follow the coordinates of my own little turtle. Thank you. Oh, this is definitely from Florida, I guess. Okay. You did it! Yes, I did it. Oh. I love you too. Okay, I'm not emotional. I just don't know what to say. I thank you so much. That's all I can say. Thank you so much, not only for what you know, for the gift itself, but for all what you did for me in the past year. Like you stick around with me on the day that I feel good, on the day that I didn't feel great at all. You stick around, like even when I'm ugly, when I dress up, when I look down, you still stay around. You never feel like annoyed because the way who I am. You choose me and you keep choosing me every day. It's just so hard to, you know, compose myself and my thoughts right now, but because I have so much to say. I have so much to say. You are incredible. You're the most kind, nice friend that I ever seen. Yeah, you keep telling me that, you know, I'm worth it, I'm smart, I'm pretty. I know that is not true, but I'm happy to know that, you know, friends and people around me, especially you, think about me that way when I look so down at myself, and when I don't trust myself anymore, and when I don't believe in anything. You're still there.
Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. You need to know. Oh yeah, you say I am loved when I can feel it in. You say I am strong.
You never let me feel like I'm lonely, and you have taught me a lot. You say it's okay to feel down sometimes, you know, it's just normal. You taught me how to express my emotions, my feelings, how to speak up, how to be happy, and most importantly, you never leave me alone. Like, even though that you're not around physically, but you never let me have that feeling that I'm lonely in this world or lonely in a relationship with you.
Oh my god! Mama, why are you here?
It's just incredibly crazy. I never had this feeling before. I thought like As a girl, you only happy in relationship with your partner, but you proves that I was wrong. I can be happy in relationship with friends as well. And it's just so great that you always stand by my side, no matter what. You don't give me your personal, opinion, but you speak on behalf of my emotions. You show me how to go for what I want, what I love. And you're special. You're just very special friend. And you just want me to be happy. That's the most important thing, right? Like most of the time that people give advice because they think about it from their perspective, but you're different. You think about it from my perspective. You want the best for me, and you want me to be happy. So do I want you to be happy and successful as well. And thank you so much for everything that you did for me. I can't even have enough words to describe it. And yeah, I really appreciate this. I love you too. But yeah, thank you.